period so far of 4-5 days, whatever? क्या क्या सीखा, क्या क्या किया? Anything?
You didn't give an assignment in the last session, so everyone was having fun. किसी ने कोई काम नहीं किया.
I contacted Ipshita and I got the concept.
Yeah, that's so nice.
And I did the homework. In fact, some time ago only, I kept calling her. Thank you, Ipshita, so much. She had the patience with me. We had a lot of current electricity problem, but then we connected at last. And we got things.
Very good. So Sandra, I guess things are more clearer now to you after having discussion, okay? Because let me tell you one thing, okay? It's my personal experience. Believe me, whatever we learned, okay, whatever I learned, especially, it was all because of my seniors, my juniors, and my peers. These are the people who actually taught me. So we were in that kind of, we built that kind of an ecosystem, and we just cascaded down, you know, to the other generation. And so that's how it just worked for all of us, because teacher would come and they just used to give us the, they used to give us the direction, okay? And sometimes, and they would give the feedback. But rest, process and everything, which we picked up from our, surroundings. So idea is that I actually should be just a reviewer of your work, not the viewer. So you yourself are the viewer of your work, and that can happen when you are having a strong interaction among each other. 80% things get sorted out there in their self. I don't have to come into the picture. I will just come as a final, either right or wrong. That's it. Or a little bit of details. Okay. Good. So there is one thing which had okay. So I will just take few more things. Okay. Thank you, Jasween and Hetal. First of all, you were absolutely right about the first and the third angle. Okay. So all this while I was working on the third angle only, but I used to call it as a first angle. Okay. And
yeah, a lot of us make it. I wasn't actually aware that these were called first and third. वो मैंने क्लास के ड्यूरिंग ही सर्च मार के देखा था, so I figured out कि ये हम कुछ गड़बड़ सी हो रही है.
So we like I work on the third angle right from the beginning. I'm very much comfortable with the third angle, but I always used to call it, maybe there was some overheard comprehension or some wrong comprehension which I took somewhere, you know, sometime, and I was carrying it forward. So this session actually gave me this opportunity to look back and correct the things. And while in the process, I got some more things also, which I will be sharing with you. Okay. And so this is one part. And the second thing which I will be saying that there's another thing what I'm saying. There's another one was this. So most of the people or some of the people, they had the problem of making the isometric view from the orthographic view. From the isometric, it was very easy to make the orthographic views, right? But not the other way around. You remember that hut, everyone had a problem. Everyone is working only on the gut feelings, कि ऐसा कुछ बनेगा. Okay, but today what I will be taking you this, okay, I will be taking you through this entire journey of how it is made, how it is plotted. Your isometric on the isometric. Orthographic view, how it gets plotted on the isometric grid. Clear? Okay. And why this is important, why this is necessary, that I also will tell you. The reason, because this exercise will be continuing for the geometrical construction. When I'm saying geometrical construction means there are objects, any object which you pick up around, any object, like I will give you an example, this object. This object has got a very strong geometry, right? Very strong geometry it has got. It has got some circles on the top, when you see from the top, and then there's a height. There is some depression kind of a thing which is happening here. Can you see? There are some depressions. Yeah. Some depressions are there. Okay, and there is a ratio of top to the this this particular width. So there's a particular way to represent. So if I see this object as it is nothing but just the combination of one axis which is going right through, which is from the center. It has got cylinders, concentric cylinders, number of them, and the circles. And there are some curves which are coming at the edges. So that's what the geometry of this object is. Any object, this object, again, cylindrical, and it has got some or the object, something or the other which is coming, in this way, right? So what we need to do, we need to have, so the assignment for you will be that you need to pick up an object, any of the object, okay, which you would like to, maybe it's as good as, this is the object, one object, any small object at your home, maybe something like this is the object. Can you see that?
Pen.
Can you see this object?
Yes.
That pen kind of a thing, right? So these are the objects which you can pick up, and then we need to do the geometry of these objects. We need to decode what we see, what exactly the skeleton is, how it goes inside. It is nothing else. It is similarly like your hidden line will be there, main line will be there, and this construction line will be there. But if you do so, so you will be able to see the geometry of each and every object. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So quickly, I will do one thing. I will quickly go on to the sheet on the next one, okay, where I will be showing you how to draw the isometric from the orthographic, which you people had a problem with. Take care now? Right? Learn with me, and then after that you will create by your own. And this will help you while you are drawing your objects in the technical drawing, like those, geometric analysis which you do. So are we clear? Which direction are we heading to? Any confusion? Anyone has got any confusion?
No,
can ask me.
sir.
Clear? Great. Fantastic. So I'm going on to the next sheet now. Just bear with me. It will take a little time because I'm setting it up now. Okay? Can you see my screen as well? My
Yes,
laptop
sir.
on a screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. ठीक है. यार एक बात समझ में नहीं आई. How do I do this? No, you cannot see my hand, huh? Okay.
We can see both, but the point is only one of them can be, full screen, na?
तो अभी मेरा जो कैमरा वाला है वो उससे क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
कैमरा वाला में आपका पेपर दिख रहा है, but it's मतलब it's a pretty small thing. I don't know whether all of them are able to see it. So maybe
Rotation.
So you can do vice versa, na? The working sheet can be a full screen and the picture can be small.
So maybe you can present afterwards, once we are done with this.
I think you can see my my screen complete. I mean, sheet दिख रहा है अभी आपको? You can see the screen. आपके पास आपकी ये जो ऑर्थोग्राफिक वाला था, ये है सबके पास? Everyone has got the same?
They can refer to it on their phones. They all have it in the group, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Now I will make it here. Suppose. ठीक है. सबसे पहले आप if you check the orthographic view, okay, that if you see the top view, please just have a look into it. Top view of the hut.
Raj,
Top
I
view of the
think
hut.
what you can do is, because it's a very simple drawing, just draw it on one corner of this sheet. छोटा सा उसका orthographic की lines बना दो, then we can keep referring to it and looking at your isometric.
No, wait. Let me just go through it first. What I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Okay, if I take this point, okay, where I'm going to take the corner. अगर आप देखोगे तो आपका जो unfortunately I don't know why it is not happening because I just had this in other class as well. जो window का अगर if you see from this corner, okay, बाहर वाले corner से, so one side is the length and one side is the width, okay. So length को if I see length जो कि front view वाला है length, okay, front view, top view और front view इन दोनों में length आपको दिख रही है, which is a bigger one. तो length को मैं क्या करता हूँ, I just divide it into 4 parts. More or less ये 4 parts में divide है. दिख रहा है आपको?
No, because your screen has not been shared again, तो वो हमको नहीं दिख रहा है.
वही कह रहा हूँ, दोनों में से कैसे करेंगे?
इसको साइड पे इसी शीट पे छोटा सा just draw the plan and the elevation so that we can refer to it while you're talking.
Okay. Okay. हाँ, okay. This is another way. ठीक है, so this is the one which we are seeing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that is more or less. ठीक है, forget it. That's how it is, all of
Yeah.
you. Okay. So now, so you can see my sheet, right? And you can see this object as well on the top.
Yeah, I can see both.
So this is the top view. So what we are going to do, we are going to see it from here. Okay, this is the point where we are going to see this entire house. Okay, so we will be somewhere here. Okay, so that's what it is. We are seeing where we are seeing the two faces. One is this and one is this. एक ये दिखेगा और एक ये वाला दिखेगा हमें कोई भी. And the roof will be shown. Roof नहीं दिखेगा, मतलब ये नीचे से नहीं दिखेगा, but I'm saying this is the view where we are, and we are on the bird's eye view में कहीं पे इस जगह पे. Okay, sorry, इस जगह पे कहीं से हम देख रहे हैं इसे from this side. Okay, so isometric में ले जाने के लिए क्या करेंगे अब हम इसे? We will be taking this. First, we will divide. If you see in the drawing, this entire length, which is in the front view, which is this one, this is the front view. Okay, and in orthography, what we get to see the realistic width and the length both. We don't get the height. We only get the height in the front view or in the side view. In front view, we get one of the length, which is this, and height. In this side view, we get the width, real estate width, and the height. Here we get the width and the length. Okay, now in this length, what we see from the picture over there, that it is divided somewhat like in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, more or less. Okay, if I say. So one thing is clear, that length is coming in a 4 parts. So let me just do one thing quickly. Let me take it here, which is 4 parts. I take my 1 unit as half, 2 unit as my 1 part. Can you see that? 1, 2, this is my 1 unit. 2, 3, and 4. Do you see all? So this happens to be my front view, where I'm taking my 4 units as this will be my front view. Now come to the side view. In side view, if you see, this is divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's take that as 3 parts. So we get the real width, which is this one. 1, 2, and the 3. Okay. So we are getting, sorry, 1, 1, 2, just a minute, 1, 2, and 3. That's what we are getting.
एक्स्ट्रा हो गया,
कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भरा है ना, 1 सेकंड रुकिए.
एक्स्ट्रा हो गया, उस साइड की एलिवेशन में एक्स्ट्रा.
1, 2, 2, हाँ ये वाला है. नहीं ठीक तो जा रहा है. 1,
तो स्क्वायर हो गया फिर.
2, 3, लेकिन यहाँ पे 4 होने चाहिए ना, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
स्क्वायर बन गया हमारा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट। 1,
जो फर्स्ट यूनिट है वो 2 दिया है और बाकी
अरे ये
ये
गड़बड़ है, ये गड़बड़ है यहाँ
यस
पे।
यस
दिस इज
यस
द प्रॉब्लम। यस यस, गॉट इट गॉट इट गॉट इट। ठीक है, सॉरी। 1, 2, 3 and this is 4, ये। ठीक है, this is the one.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yes, no, this is the correct one. Okay, मुझे एक काम करना चाहिए। I think I should take it little more down because बाद में परेशान करेगा। Sorry. I will take it from here. Four, three. Is it fine now? 1, 2 और 3, ठीक है। And this is 4. Okay. अब हमें क्या करना है इसका? We got the front का length and the width. Now we got to see the height. Height हमारी कितनी है इसकी? Height is तकरीबन जो मेरे को समझ में आ रही है इसकी height. This is like one complete unit because it is becoming like a square. यहाँ तक का, ठीक है? So it means height will be 1, एक, और जो नीचे वाली height है that is approximately 1.5. So 1, 2, 2.5. That would be the height. ठीक है? Agree with me? 2.5. Okay. So what do I do? यहाँ पे मैं करूँगा 2.5. So 1, 2 and 2.5. This would be the my actual height. Okay. So everything is going to be now. I got the axis. Remember in my isometry, I said there is an axis, and now all the lines which are parallel to this will be the isometric lines. Now everything will be parallel to it, which will be in the light just from the construction point of view. So we got this box, and this box will have all the dimensions within it. Correct. This is the box. So we got the topmost height, ये वाला height. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का. अब now what we are going to do? We will be dropping this, ये, and this is like 1 unit, which we are dropping this with. 1 unit कहाँ पे आएगा इसका? This will be 1, 2. This will be the 1 unit. So यहाँ पर हमारा this will be the roof. Now, there is something, the most important line for us right now is this line. Because due to these lines, there will be 4 drop lines which we will be getting. So how to locate this line out here? So as I said, this line, if I say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this line is nothing, it's basically combination of these two. So it is like 2 will be the line, 2 inches or whatever you call it as, 2 units. Okay, where do we get this? And it is right in the center of both. Okay, if this is the center, this is the center, it's coming somewhere here. So let's figure out the center of this line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this happens to be the center. This will go up there on the top. Okay. Now from the 3, the center would be 1, 1.5. Okay. So this will be the height. And then we take it to the next. Just drop the line, construction line. And wherever the intersection happens to be, that will be the center point of your this line. This is the point which we got. Okay, so now, as I said, it is 2 in the nature. So 1 is this. Two. So this is that line which we were looking for. This is the line. Okay. Now, what we need to do? We need to have this slope. So which means from this point at the corner, at the vertex of these, from this point at the vertex, the slope line is dropping, all of them. Okay. So what we do, we will drop it here at this corner. We'll make it light. Okay. Okay, and that's where our line will be coming. And the 4th will be coming here at this point, which is this one. So technically what I've made is correct, but visually this looks a bit skewed. So it is the same fundamental which I told you other day, that why we had to use the isometric as compared to the axonometric, because that looks more skewed and isometric looks more realistic.
Yeah.
Like in this case, imagine if instead of having by this line, if it was 1.5 or maybe the 1, then it would have looked much more realistic, because then I would have some kind of a drop out here from here to here. Understood? Are you understanding, or there is some comprehension problem somewhere?
No, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, we understand.
Understanding, sir.
Fantastic. Great. Now, what this is the point. If you notice it carefully, it is not at the edge, it is inside this line. So I believe that this wall is falling somewhere here. With the dotted line. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so that's how this entire thing is. There is another one element which I get to see is the this putty kind of a thing. There's a drop kind of a thing. Okay. So somehow what I feel that this drop and these two are similar in nature. This and this will be having more or less the same dimension. Okay, agree with me? Can I take it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me do one thing. How much would that be if I say so? So I guess this should be somewhat like, if I say so, just for my sake, if I divide this in one this thing, so will be 2, 3, 4. Probably I will say it is 1/4 of the 1 unit. If it is 1, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. For my ease, I will take it as 1/4 of 1 unit. Can I freeze it here as 1/4 of 1 unit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, as I said, it is 1/4 of 1 unit, and this will also be 1/4 of the 1 unit. Okay, because more or less they are in the same in nature in terms of their dimensions. I'm picking them like this. Okay. So what I do, and it is, if this is my extreme corner, this is my vertex, this is my corner. So where is this? The intersection of this is 1/4 inside. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me first figure out if this is my 1. Okay. This is my 1 unit. So 1/4 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So my 1/4 will be here. This is my 1/4. And where would my this another 1/4 will be here? Okay, let me check. Okay. So my 1/4, if this happens to be my 1 unit, 1, 1. This is my 1 unit. So 1/4 will be this one. Okay. Similarly, 1/4 will be this one, and wherever they are intersecting, this is the point. This is the point for me. And here also, similarly, point will be this is the point, and similarly here it will be this is the point. Okay, and this is one complete one thing. One is this. So 1/4 will be this. This is the point. So what I'm going to get is actually this is the wall which I will be getting. This is the area. My wall is actually falling here. So this is my hut. Okay, now what I need to do? 1/4, as I said, it will be going down, right? So where this will be coming? This will be coming 1/4. So this is the plotting of orthography to the isometry. Anything? Easy? Tough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. With the grid, it's easy.
सर फैशन के लिए कैसे कर सकते हैं अगर कोई उनका ड्रेस फॉर्म वगैरह होता है उसके लिए?
राधा ने छलांग लगाई एकदम से.
Wait, yeah, जरा. Stop. Wait.
Sir, 3/4 I completed, but could not complete the entire thing.
No worries. But anyways, I mean, I think it's just a matter of plotting the grids onto the isometric. It's not a rocket science. It's a very simple. It looks very difficult, but once you start doing it, then you gradually come into it. Just a logic, simple logic, how the plane is going up. So what I've done, if you see that, like what we were doing, all of us earlier, we were doing everything with the gut feeling कि वो ऐसे ऊपर एक हो गया, then we drop the 4 lines and then it get down, right? But it wasn't like that. इसमें मैंने सबसे पहले क्या किया था, I just took the realistic dimensions, जो extreme width and the extreme length and the extreme height, the realistic one, absolute real. सबसे पहले वो वाले box को बनाया, and then inside that I tried to put all the nitty-gritties, all the heights, width and all, where it is going inside in Z direction, X or Y, and then joined all of them. And since all of them are parallel, okay, as I said in isometric, so it is going to meet at some intersection, and that intersection gives you another point. ठीक है? Okay. अभी क्या करेंगे इसमें? I will show you there is something else. Is एक तो हमने बना लिया अपना ब्लॉक वाली कोई चीज बना ली. What if we have to make something with the circle? तब क्या करेंगे? सर्कल को भी तो कर रहे हैं ना?
Raj, before you move on, I'd just like to add one thing. जब आपने isometric की presentation दिखाई थी, I think about 2 weeks ago, you had shown a video where the person was using the plan to make the axonometric view. So if you use it similarly here, it becomes very easy to draw the axono or the iso. जैसे आपने tracing paper लगाया है, उसी के नीचे अगर आप यही plan को insert कर दो at an angle, you get all the points and everything. You don't need to measure, you don't need to do anything. So it becomes very easy. उसी से projection देके आपको उसको बनाने 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेंगे. It's just that because you're trying to plot the plan onto the isometric, तो वो थोड़ा सा आपको measurements में थोड़ा complication हो जाता है, या कुछ लगता है कि ये गलत हो गया, सही हो गया. But अगर आप उसी plan को जो आपके पास 2 शीट्स हैं उसके बीच में इंसर्ट कर दो, अगर आप प्रेसिंग पे बना रहे हो, तो उसके नीचे अगर आप उसको एंगल पे फिक्स कर दो 45 पे, या एक्सोनो बना रहे हो तो 45 पे नहीं 30-60 पे कर दो, तो बहुत इजी बन जाता है. यू कैन जस्ट लिफ्ट इट एंड उसकी हाइट ले लो और कुछ भी नहीं लेना पड़ता. सो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू मेक इट लाइक दैट.
It's not actually, it's a very good point which Jasmine has just said. एक काम करते हैं, 30 डिग्री का ये जो बनाया हुआ है, okay, just take the base of it first of all and see how it goes up. Okay, only my little apprehension or the hiccup would be that the top is not exactly similar as the bottom. Are you getting my point? हाँ.
आपको डिफिकल्टी ये रहेगा बिकॉज वो स्लोप है और वो थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड कर रहा है नीचे, उसके रूफ जो है वो वॉल्स के थोड़ा सा बियॉन्ड जा रही है, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. बट if you can refer back to that video which Raj had shown, it makes it very simple to understand कि एक प्लान से आपका आइसोमेट्रिक कैसे बनता है.
Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
This one, yes.
Let's see this.
आपकी साउंड नहीं वो हो रही शायद शेयर।
मारो गोली, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, वो मैं वॉइस ओवर दे दूंगा।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, समझ आ रही है।
इसने क्या किया, अभी अपना ये सेट स्क्वायर को साइड में रखा इसने 45 डिग्री एंगल पे। सो द मोमेंट ही हैज पुट इट ऑन द 45 डिग्री एंगल, ठीक है, सेंटर वाला विल बी 90 डिग्री, ऑटोमेटिकली इधर विल बी 45 डिग्री। You don't have to measure it. एक 45 पे रख लिया। Why is it realistic? As I told you other day, because वो 90 डिग्री पर हम बनाते हैं, and then it goes at the 45 डिग्री एंगल। हो गया ना। अब इसने क्या किया है, अब आप देखिएगा, इसमें हाइट ले लिया, इसने हाइट को मेजर कर लिया, दैट्स इट। Right. Okay, so what is he saying? That floor plan becomes the ceiling plan. Okay, the moment you elevate it with a particular distance, it is fine. It is absolutely fine. But this is easy for when you are having the floor and the ceiling same. But if you are not having the roof, because roof is a separate part, maybe we can take it off, okay, and when we are showing only the wall portion, then it is absolutely fine. But in wall के अंदर roof में थोड़ा सा उसमें points को रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Jasmine, you are on mute.
राज, आपने जैसे लाइंस ऐड की थी ना प्लान में डॉटेड वाली,
हाँ,
जब आप वो डॉटेड लाइंस ऐड करके उस प्लान को लगाओगे ना, देन यू विल गेट दोस लाइंस आल्सो। ठीक है, तो वो पॉइंट्स आपको ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएंगे।
तो सिंपल है, बेसिकली जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस आपको इसमें करना है, और प्लॉटिंग पता होनी चाहिए कि आपका ऑर्थोग्राफिक की जो ग्रिड होती है उसको आप आइसोमेट्री के ऊपर कैसे प्लॉट करते हो, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट। जिसमें कि आपका अगर ऑर्थोग्राफिक में आपका एक यूनिट है एंड यू थिंक दैट आइसोमेट्रिक में, because there are some details and something which you need to show, or you are having a very big sheet of isometric, so you can take one unit of ortho as 2 unit, which becomes 1 for in the isometric. You can just scale it up or scale it down. It's all up to you. Okay? So this is the crux of the entire exercise of this which I had shown you. Okay? Now I will be showing you something which is how to draw the circle. ओके अभी हम क्या करते हैं, हम सर्कल को ऐसे आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू पे ले जाके पहले हम ऑर्थोग्राफिक लेते हैं और उसके बाद उसको नीचे इस पे ले जाते हैं। अगेन व्हाट वी ट्राई टू डू विद दी आवर गट फीलिंग्स, ठीक है, बट देयर इज अ सर्टेन वे एंड देयर इज सर्टेन रूल विद व्हिच वी डू इट, ठीक है। Okay. So again, I'm going back to my the sheet and just bear with me once again. Can you see my sheet? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this case, what we do, suppose I'm having this as a square. Okay. I need to make this square as the circle, because the circle will be turning into the pillars later on. So first of all, the basic unit would be the circle which I will be taking. Let me just take it with the, I say that I just divide it into the half. Okay. I divide it into the half like this. Again, further I will divide it into the half. I will further divide into the half. Okay. So what I do, I will, if I want, I can further divide it into the half, the lightest one. I hope till here it's all fine, right? Okay. That's not the line to be considered. Forget about this. Okay. So what I do, when I do the round, when I do the circle out here, so there are 4 points which circle will be touching at. These 4 points. Agree with me? Not the vertex, but at the edge. And it is going to be something like this. Okay. It is going to be something like this for sure. Okay. Now, how do I get this curve? That is the most important part. So what do I do on this one? I will make like a star here, okay, and join this at this point. More you do the division, more it will be a smoother curve. But just to get a gist of it, what is the best way is like this. When we do something like this, that time what is happening? I am having an intersection out here. Can you see that? Intersection of this line and this vertical line, intersection of this line and this vertical line, intersection I'm getting here. right? So what do we do? From this point, I've got this curve. Do you see that? Agree with me? Hello? Are you there with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You keep giving me some kind of feedback with say yes, no, or
Yes.
okay, so that I know that you people are there. Okay, so that's how the plotting has been done of the circle on the orthographic sheet. Now the same needs to be taken onto the isometric grid. If I say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, similarly 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take it there. Let's see what happens. I will take it from say here. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it will go out. No, ठीक है. Okay, this is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
इतना बड़ा
Okay, so this is the base. So what we have done, इसको हमने इसके ऊपर प्लॉट कर लिया. Okay, now हाफ करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हाफ यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. नहीं, एक सेकेंड. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा हाफ. कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है क्या? नहीं, मैंने 5 पे बना दिया इसे. What is wrong with me? Sorry.
ब्लॉक 4 ही थे, वो नंबर 5 थे.
मैंने 5 गड़बड़ कर दिया. 4 ही होना चाहिए था. सॉरी. तो तभी मैं कह रहा था देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. ओके, वेट अ मिनट. मैं थोड़ा भावनाओं में बह गया. ये लीजिए, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. या दिस इज द वन. ठीक है. या दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. करेक्ट. सो इट वाज जस्ट फॉर द नोमेनक्लेचर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है. नाउ मेक सेंस. सेंटर से ले लिया हमने. सेंटर वाला जो थर्ड है, इधर गए, इधर से ऐसे आए. ठीक है. उसके बाद व्हाट वी गॉट टू डू, हमने क्या किया था, यहाँ पे प्लॉट कर दिया था इसे. ठीक है ना. प्लॉट हमने कहाँ पे किया है? 1 पे. ये इस जगह पे प्लॉट किया इसे. ये जो ये पॉइंट्स है, यहाँ पे हमने सारे प्लॉट किए हैं इनको. हमने इनको यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया. Right.
ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट। जब हमने इसको यहाँ पे किया तो हमारे पास कुछ इंटरसेक्शंस निकल के आएंगे। व्हाट दोस इंटरसेक्शंस विल बी, एक हमारा ये निकलेगा, एक ये निकलेगा, ठीक है, एक हमारा ये निकला है, एक ये निकला है, ये हमारे इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट निकल के आ रहे हैं। सो व्हाट वी गॉट टू डू, वी गॉट टू जस्ट मेक देम join. ये हमारा सर्कल है। That's how we have plotted the circle on this grid. ठीक है, just see what happens if I put it out here. What happens if I put it here? थोड़ा एक ऊपर करके देखता हूँ, let me just see. क्या उससे कुछ और ज्यादा स्मूथ आएगा मेरे को? I don't know, let me see. There's a possibility with the outer this as well, which I can figure out. But anyway, that will be a little too complicated. And that is basically to get much more smoother curve. But I would suggest just stick to the one right now, okay, and work on the internal one. Just 1 point. I think that's best, which we can go, because otherwise it will be too complicated. Okay. Okay. So that's where something like this, it was done earlier. Okay, let me go on to the main screen now. Okay. Can you hear me all?
Yeah.
Good. ठीक है जी. Okay. So what I will do, I will just share something with you, which is share screen. Just give me a second. All right. Okay. This is share screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see something out here? Do you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen, but
Yeah.
the pictures are really small. You need to
Yes, ma'am.
click on the picture.
Yeah, that's okay. No, can you see the picture on my screen? That's what I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah, but it's very small.
We can see, but it's very, very small.
Ah, is it? No, because I don't know. I'm seeing it on my laptop screen, so it is looking fine to me. I don't know.
So double click on any one of the image. Maybe we will. It will zoom in and we can see it.
Okay. Do you see this? I don't know. I'm doing the screen share. So I think screen
See,
share.
what is happening is you need to enlarge the picture first and then screen share. Otherwise, what happens? It's the picture enlarges into another screen.
Okay, just a minute. Okay. So what do I do? Screen share. I will do. Wait. Okay. अभी दिख रहा है?
Yes. Yes, sir.
अभी ठीक दिख रहा है? ठीक है. Okay. So this is the one which I was talking about. अब इसमें जैसे एक प्रोडक्ट को लिया है, ठीक है? उस प्रोडक्ट पे उन्होंने किस किस चीज को प्लॉट किया है? अपना ऑर्थोग्राफिक लिया है, ऑर्थोग्राफिक को इन्होंने इसके ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट कर दिया है ऑन द आइसोमेट्रिक. So everything is coming in the cube. Can you see that? Actual height इन्होंने इस पे लिया और height को उसके अंदर that round thing which is there, okay, they plotted inside the cube. So you got the actual width of the bottle. Similarly, the actual height. And not only that, if you see very closely, that this is a dome which has been made. It is not just the circle. Can you see that? It is a dome. Right? So on the circle, some height has been given and then two lines have been projected like this. So it becomes a dome. Next पे कैसे जाऊँ इस पे?
Use your arrow keys. Maybe that might work. Yeah.
अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ, आ
Okay.
रहा है.
बड़ा दिख रहा है?
Yes.
ठीक है. हाँ हाँ. So after that, what it's been done, it has been cut into the half. So you get to see the thickness of the object. Okay, I will just take you through the objects, like this. The circle has been, how it has been derived. It must be on the top, the first one. See the object, this one. What is it? The clip. Board clip, right? But believe me, this board clip, it looks so easy. This is the most toughest out of all.
Yeah.
है जसवीन?
बिल्कुल
है ना बिल्कुल. Believe me, मैं
बहुत difficult है the curve.
बहुत, मैं क्या तो रहा हूँ, मैं उस दिन जब मैं कर रहा था ना बच्चों के साथ, I was like all the people, I was like shocked. मैंने कहा यार मतलब all बाकी जो complicated दिख रहे थे, they were easily it could be done. But इसके अंदर इतना difficult था because of the angle. You're absolutely right. बहुत angle के साथ बहुत खेलना पड़ रहा था because suddenly आपको यहाँ पे एक curve दिख रहा है आपको, ठीक है, और उसी के साथ पे straight जा रहा है ये चीज. तो आपको सारी चीजें देखनी है एक साथ. फिर ये वाले कर्व्स को, you know, everything had to be looked into the, you know, consideration in a proper manner. ये देखो how it was. बहुत टफ था इसको. इमेजिन करो आपने इस कर्व को कैसे बनाया है. कैन यू सी दैट? इस कर्व को पीछे ले जाके उसी क्यूब के ऊपर दो बनाए हैं, प्लॉट किया है, देन यू गॉट द कर्व.
I just like to point out something, especially for the ID people. जब आप ये drawing, can you go back to the paperclip, जो 3D view था उसका, yeah, this one. So if you look at this, अब आप लोग को आधे से ज्यादा, I am very sure, तो यहाँ ID के बैठे हैं, they thinking कि ये तो इतनी simple चीजें हमको दिखा रहे हैं, what's the whole point, we are wasting our time. But this is something which is very important when your students start working in AutoCAD. जब वो AutoCAD में जाते हैं और उनको 3D में इमेजिन नहीं करना आता कि ये चीज को, क्योंकि जब आप फ्री हैंड बनाते हो तुक्के में कुछ भी बना लेते हो. जब आपको AutoCAD पे बनाना है आपसे कुछ नहीं बनता, बिकॉज आपको एंगल नहीं समझ आ रहा, आपको कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा कौन सी चीज कहाँ जाएगी. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, इफ यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस exactly like this with hand, you can draw it on AutoCAD.
But AutoCAD है क्या? What is AutoCAD? It is the one which is
just a tool. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. पर लोग क्या करते हैं ना, इसको बनाना है तो सब तुक्के में बना देंगे. It look okay, it look कि हाँ ठीक बना हुआ है, but they will not use the precise method. That is my point.
Absolutely.
जो आपने ये मेथड बताया है कि वो सर्कल बन रहा है उसके ऊपर और साइड पे भी सर्कल्स आ रहे हैं, कोई इतना कष्ट नहीं करेगा. सब उसको बनाएंगे डब्बे में और उसको हाथ से गोल गोल करके बोलेंगे लो जी बन गया.
Jasmine, that's the idea. That's the idea. That's why I want even the fashion.
Must be thinking कि this is such a waste of time. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हमको बता रहे हैं, ये तो हमें बहुत अच्छे से आती हैं, ये आती हैं, पर हम उसको ठीक से समझते नहीं है कि आगे कैसे समझाना और क्यों समझाना है. हम भी तब कहते हैं चलने दो. फिर जब AutoCAD में बच्चे फंसते हैं, वो इसलिए फंसते हैं क्योंकि उनको वर्कआउट नहीं करना आ रहा कि 2D का 3D कैसे बनेगा.
Very good. Anju ma'am, you were saying something.
Yeah, what I was saying that you know what I'm seeing the expressions of a lot of fashion teachers also, क्योंकि उनको ये लग रहा है कि इंटीरियर्स का कंसेप्ट है कहाँ पर होगा. अभी अनुराधा had said कि हमारे क्रोकी में कैसे होगा, but if you actually look onto it, everything is required in all the proportions. Like, you know, अगर आप retail दे दो, visual merchandising देख लो, shoes, accessories, which is a core part of fashion. You need to have proper specification to even think about your designs and things like that. So, you know, I sincerely think that we all need to be knowing. And ये beginning में अगर बच्चों को करा देंगे तो this will be the best thing. I'm just restating again and again. Probably people might think that हम बार-बार ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं, because मुझे मालूम है ये सबको आता है but कोई कराता नहीं है. उनको ये लगता है कि इतना important नहीं है. But I want that these should be the sheets of the students, and whatever we are learning over here, I would want all the faculties to go back doing it, because I will personally want to see all these sheets from the students also.
Right. वही है, एक छोटा सा ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने के लिए what all one has thought of, that's what will be understood. Decode करना is the most difficult. सबसे ज्यादा कैसे उसने किया होगा, that decoding one will get to understand from this. Look at this. Now one of the most complex part, this one, a top. इसके अंदर क्या क्या complexity I will tell you. If you see from the top, this ये लट्टू है, if you see the plan view of this top का, तो इसके अंदर जो ये वाला portion है, the top portion is absolutely round, which is this one, ठीक है? लेकिन जो ये वाला portion है, this one, not only this was सामने से देखोगे तो वो ऐसे था, एलिप्टिकल में थोड़ा सा,
फ्लैटेंड है ऊपर से,
हाँ ऊपर से फ्लैटेंड है, कैन यू सी दैट, थोड़ा थोड़ा सिलेंड्रिकल में और ऐसे बना हुआ है, आगे से थोड़ा सा एब्सोल्यूट राउंड नहीं है, हल्का सा उसमें इस तरीके से वो है, कर्व है, which is more of an ellipse kind of a thing. Very difficult to achieve this. Hats off to this girl who cracked it. बहुत problem लगा, but she took it as a challenge and she said, I will make sure that bloody I decode it, and she did it. So good, fantastic. Look at the way, the kind of precision she has gone to achieve this. Okay, what all she's gone through. Can you see that how many layers she's worked upon?
yeah.
For outer one, this is the one which she has drawn. For inside one, also again she has drawn. उसके अंदर वाले में भी किया है, सबके लिए उसने किया है. Look at this. Look at this. And now this is done. Orthographic was still fine, but the most important part was this. Now see. Now that's where the magic comes.
Looks like a Leonardo Vinci ka sketch.
Can you see? This is the one which I'm talking about. Imagine so much of, I mean, you got to have a patience to do all this, seriously.
Absolutely.
आप ये देखो, यहाँ पे उसने जो ये दिखाया ना इस वाले को, कैसे उसने बनाया, बहुत tough था इसको, but she cracked it. She really cracked it, and finally, you get a sense of pride कि yes, you achieved it, and very beautifully she picked it up.
The whole point and the whole basis of cracking it is कि you've understood it, कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ से किसके साथ join हो रही है, कौन सी चीज में क्या बन रही है. That means you've actually understood. अगर आपको इसकी constructional detail भी बनानी हो ना, आप बना सकते हो, because you've understood how the various parts are working, कौन सा किसके साथ कहाँ जा रहा है. So that is something which we somehow don't clarify to the students कि ये time waste नहीं है, ये कोई हम मजाक नहीं कर रहे हैं. This absolutely is a very very basic idea. अगर आपको ये आ जाता है, no, you can draw anything, you can understand anything if you got this.
ठीक है, look at this. Now what? Again, a simple, but see how this cut into the sections. There's another exercises. ये बहुत अलग है. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. See, this is the one. This is the one which has been picked up by, and all these are students, first yearites. Foundation वाले student है जिन्होंने किया है. Can you see that? इस वाले portion को देखो. Just have a look into this portion. ये beauty है. Just mean you know what exactly I'm talking about here, है ना? वो जो ऐसे जो पीछे को जो कर्व गया है ना, उसको कैसे उसने डिकोड किया है, वो है दैट इज, मतलब उसने पूरे सर्कल को बना के उसके ऊपर तीनों एक्सेस में उसने इसको डिकोड किया है. ही हैज प्लॉटेड इट ऑन 3 एक्सेस, राइट. और फिर उसको करने के बाद दिस हैज बीन,
oh my god, that stapler is a
stapler. हम स्टेपलर नहीं, वो जो पिन होती है जो कपड़े सुखाने वाली.
अच्छा, ओके, क्लॉथ पिन है.
वो जो चिमटी जो होती है, क्लिप जो होती है, क्लिप
फॉर ड्राइंग क्लोथ्स.
हाँ, जो क्लिप वाला है, वो क्लिप बनाया है. इतना हम डेली देखते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को. जस्ट हैव अ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ इट.
কি বলে আসতে দেরি করতে বাইরে বসে থাকতাম, সে ভিডিও আসতে ইচ্ছা করতে পারতাম.
Whose mic is on?
ठीक है, this is the one. This is the clip, the same clip. Okay, that was a sectional part of the clip. Look at the orthographic of the clip.
Very nice.
ठीक है. So why I'm showing you all this, just to give you some kind of an idea that what all you see, what all you do. Look at this. Look at this. Tester. We keep seeing the tester, but the tester has got so much of intricacy into it while we draw it. Look at this, how this section part has come. Just chopped it into the half. Orthographic view. So first orthographic view, then isometric, and then the sectional view. We do in the ID, don't we?
Absolutely, we do this.
Okay. There's another exercise. I mean, that's something else which I'm taking. There's another one which I will be taking you through. How the tube, it bends in the space. This was one of the exercise. Anyways, so what do you say about these two? Okay, I will give you one exercise. Okay, small exercise. It's like a crash assignment. Okay, I will draw it for you. Don't worry. I'll fill it all and I will give it to you. Okay, but can you see this image?
No.
See the last one that you were showing, that pipe.
Oh, अच्छा. मेरे नहीं, मेरा इस पे नहीं दिख रहा क्या? कैमरा में नहीं आ रहा. अच्छा, I need to stop sharing, right? Is that so?
Yeah. You need to stop sharing. Yes.
Oh, okay. ठीक है. Just a minute.
Yeah, now we can see it.
Okay. कुछ दिख रहा है यहाँ पे?
We can see two concentric circles.
Everyone can see this?
Yes, sir.
We can see a donut over here.
Huh?
A donut.
Donut?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, can you reduce the volume, please?
Yeah,
Okay.
please, who's got this thing going on?
Okay, fine. So there are two circles which I shown you, correct? And this is the top view, the plan view. Okay. Every time I need to see, this is the only plan. You make how many you want objects. Jasmine, I think you got it, what I'm saying.
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Thank you, Jasmine. आधी चीज तो आप ही मेरी सॉल्व कर देते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, चलो मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Let's see. ठीक है? आपको दिख रहा है ये जो मैंने नीचे बनाया हुआ है? Can you see that?
दिख रहा है.
Yes.
Clearly दिख रहा है?
Yes.
Okay.
Rectangle है ना सर?
नहीं, rectangle में कुछ और भी चीज है.
What you can do is you can put this sheet under the other camera. फिर हमको ज़्यादा clear.
Done है. मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. Wait for a while.
Yeah.
Can you see my sheet now?
Yes, just put it the other way around because हमें portrait में दिख रहा है.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
अभी ठीक है?
या
ओके, हाँ अभी क्लियर है सब कुछ? ओके, सो इन दिस वन मेरे पास ये मेरा प्लान है, प्लान। मैं इसको ऐसे देखूंगा,
ठीक है,
ठीक है?
ठीक है,
क्लियर दिख रहा है?
बिल्कुल दिख रहा है।
मेरा एक प्लान ऐसे दिख सकता है इस वाले ऑब्जेक्ट का,
बिल्कुल दिख सकता।
ठीक है? ये वाला प्लान मेरा यही है, ठीक है?
या
ओके, क्या मुझे, अगर मेरे को एक ऐसा बनाऊं इस टाइप का, क्या मुझे ऐसा प्लान दिख सकता है?
दिख सकता है।
टॉप, यस और नो बोलो।
यस सर, यस।
यस
दिखेगा मेरे को?
Yes, sir.
सेकंड लाइन ऐड हो जाएगी प्लान में, अदरवाइज
Yes.
दिखेगा।
कौन सी वाली प्लान में ऐड होगी लाइन?
प्लान
नीचे में।
नीचे वाले बॉटम डायमीटर ऐड हो जाएगा।
तो वो तो यहाँ पे भी है, वो तो इधर भी है।
This one, sir.
एक सेकंड, ये आपको इसमें दो क्लियर लाइन दिख रही है, एक लाइन ये है और एक ये लाइन है, ठीक है ना?
Yes.
आपको एक टॉप लाइन ये दिख रही है, जो टॉप वाली ये
Yes.
है, और बॉटम वाली ये है, ठीक है? ये
Yes.
इस वाले ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए प्लान व्यू सेम रहेगा। इस वाले में आपको ये लाइन दिख रही है, एंड दिस इज, यहाँ पे मैंने इसको डॉटेड बना रखा है, यानी कि ये हॉलो है, लाइक, ठीक है? इसमें मेरे को ये टॉप लाइन दिखी एक, और एक ये वाली लाइन दिखी, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं दिखेगा। इट मींस ये इसको सेटिस्फाई करता है, ये भी इसको सेटिस्फाई करता है। क्या ऐसे और बन सकते हैं क्या?
बहुत से बन सकते हैं।
वही है, यहीं पे ये दिमाग जो करना है। लेट मी जस्ट सी कौन मेरे को 10 बना के दिखा सकता है, 10 ऑब्जेक्ट।
चैलेंज है,
चैलेंज है। 5 तो कम से कम है, मेरे इन दो को छोड़ के 5 तो कम से कम है। इन दोनों को भूल जाओ अभी, 5 तो कम से कम है। किसी ने अगर 10 अचीव कर लिया तो मेरी तरफ से उसको एक पार्टी, एक कॉफी तो जरूर बनेगी, ठीक है? अब करो, है चैलेंज है, मजेदार है,
बिल्कुल बढ़िया है। जब तक मुझे ना करना पड़े, बिल्कुल बढ़िया।
Sir, excuse me, the question I just want to know.
Yeah, tell me.
This is one circle and the rectangle underneath, two circles, and we have to show the diagram, actual diagram 3D, what 10 or 5 which will come into this, right?
Okay.
That's what is the question, na? We have to make the 3D.
The thing is, the plan has been given. Forget about that square. नीचे वाला जो बनाया ना rectangular, उसको भूल जाओ। आप सिर्फ प्लान पे ध्यान रखो, जो प्लान है वो आपको दिया गया है। उस प्लान को आप कैसे कैसे इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हो इन अ 3D शेप, दैट्स अप टू यू, दैट्स द चैलेंज।
Okay.
Fine? Yeah.
Sandra, I will just make your life a little more easy. This is a fixed thing.
Okay.
This plan is a fixed thing. I have given you only this much of an information. Only this much. That is it. I need to see, when I see from the top, okay, of the object, I should be seeing only this plan, nothing else. These two points. All up to you how this object is. Like I showed you, this is the same plan of this object.
Yes.
This is the same plan for this object as well. There are so many of them which you can show me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you make this, you have got like this front view and the side view. Okay. When you make this, you have got something called the front view and the side view. Like the plan is already made. So if you do the front view, you will be having something like, just drop it down. Okay. So something like this will be the If I say yes, okay. Right, be very careful because it is, since it is a circle in the center, so it is all going to be like this. You understand, this is the axis line which I talked about, okay?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So now you can have the multiple which you can do like this, considering the fact, the consideration and the constraint would be that plan remains the same, and then after that you need to plot it onto the 3D.
Just to be clear, Raj, they have to make two things. The plan is there. They got to make the front elevation and the isometric. Is that what?
And the isometric. That is it. And the isometric. That is it. Okay.
So don't use
isometric. Okay. So 5 I'm expecting. Or shall I make little less?
नहीं 5 तो रहने दो. बाकी इनकी श्रद्धा जितने और बनाएंगे.
चलो ठीक है. 5 तो चलो जसवीन और मैं हमने बहन जी ठीक ठीक लगा लो वाले पे आ गए. ठीक है. हाँ तो ठीक ठीक में 5 वाले पे आ गए. ठीक है. 5 आप बनाएंगे. 5 we will be making. Okay. Apart from these two which I've shown you, and then उसके ऊपर जितना भी होगा that is like a bonus point for all of us. ठीक है.
सब चुपचाप बैठे हैं. या तो
yes.
नहीं है, थोड़ा दिमाग की भी एक्सरसाइज है, मजा आएगा तभी तो. We can expect from the students if we do ourselves, you know, gear up. ठीक है ना?
Sir, I made 3. Can I show?
हाँ, just a minute. Hold on. Let me come to my this.
आप दिखा रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am. I can. I hope
yeah,
that is really able.
Yeah.
So I made 4. जब सर बता रहे थे, I could not make the 5th one. It would take maybe 5 more minutes, and I hope it would be done.
So आपको 5 और बनाने हैं. ठीक है, बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया.
नहीं बाकी सबको मिल गया ना इसका वो. तो आप एक काम करो.
कैंसिल हो गए.
कैंसिल हो गए. तो सीमा आप एक काम करो. लेट्स डू वन थिंग. ठीक है, अभी बहुत है इसके अंदर, बहुत इमेंस अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू बी डूइंग, आप नेक्स्ट जब हम मिलेंगे ना तो उस टाइम पे एक सेकंड. हाँ, नेक्स्ट जब हम मिलेंगे तो उस क्लास में यू विल बी शोइंग मी ऑल योर वर्क. ठीक है, तो अभी हम करेंगे तो I mean, there's no point, you know, exchanging like this.
Totally agreed, sir. I will definitely try. I will not promise, but I will definitely try.
ठीक है, तो इसको करेंगे. Okay, and अब let's get back to the last. हमारा क्या था जो हमने बनाना था लास्ट का. Let's share your exercises. लास्ट वाली जो हमने की थी.
Covered it, Raj. I think last time because हमने सारा टाइम ही उस पे लगा दिया था. We had covered most of the assignments of everyone. क्या किया था last time? कौन सी assignment देख रहे थे? यही वाली देख रहे थे?
यही देख रहे थे.
I think most of them have shown.
Isometric and orthograph.
किसी की रहती है, दिखाना चाहता है तो दिखा सकता है.
हाँ, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, किसी ने दिखाना है तो आप मेरे को दिखा दीजिए अभी इस टाइम पे.
कोई भी पुरानी assignment रहती है and you want to, you know, see or you know get some feedback, you can do it now.
Sir, I just have a question for today's assignment. Now, right now, what you have said, the center part has to be compulsory hollow. I can take it like, for example, a pawn. Like, you know, the chess वाला पैदा होता है तो उसका भी view वैसा ही दिखेगा, but वो center वाला hollow नहीं होगा. So, can we take, or you have to be, the center part has to be hollow?
Where did you get that idea कि hollow होना चाहिए? किसी ने नहीं बोला।
एक मिनट, मैं कोई आंसर नहीं दूंगा इसका।
ये भी सही है।
आपको
Okay, no problem.
आपको सिर्फ एक ही आंसर है मेरा। मुझे टॉप व्यू जो है वो 2 लाइन दिखनी चाहिए, बस जिंदगी खत्म।
Okay, done, sir.
ठीक है, बस इसके अलावा
Yeah.
कुछ यही जिंदगी है और कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, अदरवाइज तो सारे मेरे से पूछते रहेंगे, मैं क्यों बताऊं अभी। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में बात करेंगे। ठीक है, क्लियर? But you should be knowing what is the meaning of that 2 lines. That's the main thing. If you understand the meaning of those two lines and the center line, then you can do anything, whatever you want. Okay, you will have a justification for the same. ठीक है? Anything anyone want to show?
सैंपल कंफर्म करना है, ये जो 2 लाइंस आपने दिखाई है ना सर्कल, तो सूप बोल ऐसे ही दिखेगा प्लेट में जो सूप बोल रखा होता है ऊपर से।
चीटिंग कर रहे हैं सब, चीटिंग।
मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा अभी। अभी आरती मैम अभी कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा मैं। आप मेरे को बताइए, आप बताइए कि आपने ऐसा क्यों बनाया, अगर बनाया तो। आई वुड लाइक टू नो योर रीजन। आप समझ रहे मेरी बात?
ऊपर से सर देखेंगे तो सूप बोल प्लेट में रखा हुआ ऐसे ही दिखेगा ना, 2 सर्कल एक सूप बोल बीच में।
कोई बात, वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपका सूप बोल किस टाइप का है। आपकी श्रद्धा है। अगर आप, मेरा सूप बोल जो मेरे घर में पड़ा हुआ है, वो सूप बोल जो है बिल्कुल ऐसा है जिसके नीचे कोई मतलब बिन पैंदी का लोटा टाइप का जैसे बोलते ना, वो है। ठीक है, अब उसको मैं बना, हाँ तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ। अब आपके में कैसा होगा वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है।
But we can put the picture also, no? What we have made. Suppose if we are assuming something, then we can put the picture also of that.
The drawing should be good enough. आप आइसोमेट्रिक बना रहे हो तो फिर आप
क्या जरूरत है पिक्चर में नहीं करना है आपने? आइसोमेट्रिक तो आप दे ही रहे हो ना मेरे को। ठीक है, हाँ मैं सिर्फ एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगा आपको थोड़ा सा। बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल यू आर मेकिंग द आइसोमेट्रिक, क्योंकि जो आपका जो नीचे वाला जो सर्कल है जिसको आप दिखा रही है मुझे, सेंटर वाला, उसका जो हाइट है ना, हाइट वाइट, वो जो प्लेन है, जस्ट बी केयरफुल विद दैट प्लेन कि वो प्लेन उसी प्लेन पे आएगा या उससे ऊपर आएगा या नीचे आएगा। ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल हैव टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ एंड इट इज फॉर एवरीवन। इट्स नॉट द सूप बोल, बट इफ यू आर डूइंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेम सॉर्ट ऑफ सेम सॉर्ट ऑफ नेचर, सो यू गॉट टू बी केयरफुल विद द प्लेन्स। ठीक है, ओके। अक्षय, यू आर आस्किंग मी सम क्वेश्चन।
इन असाइनमेंट आई हैड एन इशू विद द हर्ट वाला, बट वो आज क्लियर हो गया।
चलो, वेरी गुड अक्षय, थैंक यू। अक्षय, you are from Jodhpur, right?
Yes sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है, good, very good। ठीक है, और आज ये कहाँ है, और कौन कौन थे यार? There are Amy है, then I think there's one Kavita, नहीं, not Kavita, the one who's from Bangalore Center.
Bangalore HSR, Swati
is there. Swati is there. Okay. Yeah. And there is some that Misha Khanna was there, no? Misha was there.
Yeah, Hyderabad. She's there.
Acha, and she's there only. Okay. So and Swarnima, Pratibha, any thoughts on it? कैसी लग रही exercise? How's it?
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है अभी। Now students के लिए plan करना है, वो चल रहा है।
करो, बहुत मजा आएगा। Very good. Okay.
Now sir, I can understand the concept and.
ठीक है, good, great, fantastic. So anyone has got any doubt or anything would like to share with me or something you want? I don't know, anything.
Sir, how can we use isometric in fashion? Like I just need reference. I'm not getting it. Like
यार ऐसा है ना, आइसोमेट्रिक को आप फैशन में जो है एग्जैक्ट डायरेक्ट फैशन के साथ नहीं करेंगे। ठीक है, आप उसको एज एन एक्सेसरीज में करेंगे। पहले मैं उसके देयर आर 2-3 वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट। एक्सेसरीज में आपका क्या क्या होता है? सपोज इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ शू, हाउ विल यू मेक द शू? ओके, इफ यू हैव टू डू द आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू ऑफ इट, आपने टॉप कर लिया, फ्रंट कर लिया, साइड कर लिया, राइट? इफ यू गॉट टू मेक द आइसोमेट्रिक का, ठीक है, बिकॉज तभी आपको पता लगेगा ना कि ऑल 3 फेसेस हाउ दे आर गेटिंग जॉइंट एट वन पॉइंट, यू नो, जस्ट टू गिव एन आइडिया। तो वहां पे आप इसको फैशन में कर सकते हैं। देन यू आर हैविंग बैग्स में भी आप ये करेंगे, उसके अंदर एक लेंथ है, एक विड्थ है और एक हाइट है। ठीक है, और बाकी उसके हैंडल वो सब जैसे मैंने अभी आज प्रोडक्ट आपको दिखाया एग्जैक्टली उसके अंदर आप लेके आएंगे। ठीक है, दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द वे। थर्ड, चलो ये तो मैं सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ विच इज मोर ऑफ अ फैशन ओरिएंटेड प्रोडक्ट। नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, मेरे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जो है जो FD वाले जो होंगे, they will be tomorrow getting into the visual merchandising. Agreed with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they might get into the visual merchandising and they might get into the projects as well. Projects in the retail, I mean retail, creation, retail जो होता है, not I mean retail जो अपनी shop जो बनाते हैं, ठीक है, store की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. If they get into the store planning, retail planning में, so that time all this isometric view, orthographic view, sectional views, they will come into the play. Just imagine करो अगर उनको 3 mannequins अपनी window में खड़ी करनी है, and they have to show the window. The way I used to pitch with the client, and I used to tell them कि यहाँ पे ये 3 mannequins will be coming, 2 will be together and 1 will be aloof with some kind of a podium, and there's some cluster of the objects. So how it will get into this in the perspective, I'll make it, or in the isometric I will make it, and then I will show it to them, to the clients. So they get a clear snapshot how this window will look from the top, where the positioning of the mannequins would be. Okay, from the front, all of them, they look flat, but they will get to see the distance between all of them, the realistic, and in the perspective, they will get to see all of them together.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ठीक है? Okay. Any other question?
Yes, sir.
और सीखा हुआ कभी ना गलत नहीं जाता. Believe me, it doesn't make, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि मैं तो इसी डिपार्टमेंट से तो मैं तो इसके अलावा और कुछ सीखूंगा ही नहीं.
No, sir. It's really helpful.
अरे नहीं, मैं I'm just giving you something else. I'm saying that कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है. But believe me, the basic DNA remains the same for all the disciplines, because somewhere or the other it gets connected. If not the literally, but literally it will definitely help you out. Maybe sharpen your mind to build some kind of a exercise. Okay, something. Believe me. अब ये composition की जो बात करते हैं, composition is what? आप उसको 2D में बनाते हैं तो it is a graphics का composition. The moment you give some height into it and take it forward, then it becomes what? It's a space design. Again, it's a composition. It's an element which you are putting into the space, and you are making some kind of a space creation with a composition. So क्या हुआ है? जो 2D वाला है, ठीक है, 2D का graphic designer has turned into a space designer. Basic remains the same, as I told you. Okay. Any other question? Anything else? Kavita, you've got anything to share? Any questions so far?
No, sir, it's clear everything.
Great. So what do we do? Shall we call off for the day? Unless you have got something to show.
Yes.
Done, Jasween? Is Jasween around?
Yeah. Sorry, I got cut off. मेरा Wi-Fi बंद हो गया था.
कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. So I was saying that if you have anything to show me, any of you, or any clarification for anything, just let's have a 10-15 minutes of talk. If there is nothing to show or nothing to talk about, then we can call off for the day. And you straight get onto your exercises for the weekend.
Yeah.
If anybody has any questions to be asking, you should actually.
अभी तक के क्या-क्या exercises हुए? Can someone recall? Can someone give me some kind of a download about the same? Because I lost the track.
Yes, sir. So may I?
Yeah, please, Kavita, carry on.
Okay. The first one is the evolution exercise, evolution of design. And then the fashion recycle, the helical process. Then traditional architecture in native place. And then leaf sketching and textures, creating textures. And then perspective. Then isometric view and orthographic view. And then the today's work.
Good. So far, it's going in a good shape. So anyone has got any kind of a question here? Okay, anything, any interesting thing which you would like to share with me, which you feel that it can be connected somewhere from the student's perspective, you know, which we can club it in your exercise. Because the idea is that you need to, I will tell you what is the main idea. Not only just, you know, a kind of sensitizing you people towards the nitty-gritty of the design, okay? I'm saying nitty-gritty of the design, the detailing part of it, but devising some instrument for yourself which will be easy for students to understand. Now you are the owner of your own teaching methods, of your lesson plans, taking this as a base. So it cannot be the lakir ka fakir ki ye bataya to isi ko seedha dal diya. No, idea is not that. Idea is base has been given, okay? Build the castle onto it, come up with your own ideas, okay? As we were doing earlier, every session we will be sharing ki what exercise we are looking for these students, okay? तो वो सब करना है आपको. तो इससे क्या होगा, हर एक बैच में आप एक नया एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं. Isometric, okay, let me just ask you, थोड़ा सा एक करूंगा मैं. एक मैंने असाइन क्या आपको दिया था क्या? मैंने एक असाइनमेंट, एक क्रैश असाइनमेंट दिया था आप लोगों को. इफ आई हैव नॉट, आई विल गिव इट टू यू जस्ट नाउ. थोड़ी देर में आपको करने हैं बुलेट पॉइंट्स. I don't know whether I gave it to you or not. Wait, hang on.
No, nothing like that.
Wait. I'm giving you. Wait, hang on. Here. Yeah. Can you see my screen, please, all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब मुझे बताइए, what is isometric? What is perspective? What is axonometric? And what is orthography? चार मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. These are 4 tools with which we visualize something or we depict something. What is the difference? Key differences between all 4 of them, or the characteristics. And this is the exercise which it is there on the screen. Bullet point के साथ, not with the ज्ञान, not ऐसा उसको क्या बोलते हैं विकिपीडिया से copy paste, no, nothing, sorry, just bullet point. This is it, और कुछ नहीं है. Can someone tell me one characteristics of perspective?
So that everything vanishes at one single or two, everything radiates from either 1, 2 or 3 points, whereas in isometric or axonometric, all the lines go parallel.
Okay.
The basic 3 lines will go parallel. 1 perpendicular, of course, to the gravity, and 2 would go parallel. Whatever you will make, things would be parallel. They will never vanish. They will never touch each other like that.
Anything else?
It is a tool to visualize.
Yes.
And it is a freehand drawing with vanishing point.
Okay.
Yeah. Its perspective is basically you create distance